Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make this fantastic Chicken Changezi curry from scratch. A rich, spicy and creamy dish with fantastic flavours. Before I begin, please take a second to like, comment and hit that subscribe button. Thanks. To begin, I'm going to marinate the chopped chicken pieces with a salt, chilli powder, garlic paste, lemon juice and plain yoghurt. Give it a good massage through so everything is covered and set aside for 30 minutes. You can always prepare these first couple of steps in advance to save time. Now get your pan on a medium heat and add half the oil and the sliced onions. Fry on medium heat for around 8 to 10 minutes until light brown, then put aside to cool off for a little bit. Add the cashew nuts to a blender, blitz for a few seconds, then add in the fried onions. Give a good blitz for around 30 seconds to create your cashew onion paste. If it's a little thick, try adding around 3 tablespoons of water, it will help it come out in a minute. Now heat the rest of the oil in a pan and add the ginger garlic paste. Fry on low for around 30 seconds. Add the tomato puree, mix and fry for a minute. This will always blend easier if you water it down a little. Add in the onion and cashew paste, mix through well and fry on medium heat until the oil separates. This could take a couple of minutes. Add the chilli powder, Kashmiri chilli powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Stir through again and continue to cook on medium heat for around 3 to 4 minutes until the oil separates. Add in the marinated chicken and any marinade. Mix well and fry for 3 to 4 minutes to begin infusing the flavours. Add the water, give it a mix and cook on low to medium heat for around 10 minutes until the meat is cooked through and once again the oil separates. Slowly add the cream. Sprinkle over the chaat masala and the methi leaves. Try not to let the spitting sauce burn your hands in the process. Mix well and cook on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes until the oil separates again. When it does, serve sprinkled with a little fresh chopped coriander. Please remember to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.